but you gotta be there for me too. But you gotta be there for me too.
You guys have to like make sure you're in this frame for real. Smile, put your life together. Come on now. Anyway, I don't even know how to introduce this. I don't know if I should introduce it before.
What's up, guys? How you doing? What's up, guys?
No, like that.
Hey,
Take
this
no,
video.
chill.
Do it.
Okay. What's up, guys?
Is it recording right now?
Yes, it's recording.
Oh,
What do you think? I'm just talking for
You thought she was
fun?
practicing?
Yeah, like no, I'm not practicing. Okay, what's up, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be having all three of your favorite people do my makeup because I know Thump knows absolutely nothing about makeup. Juice and Miles have some knowledge. Okay, you guys each need to do like different things. So like, whoever wants to go first with what they think is happening first, then they need to go. So you think that goes first?
Let me see what that is. We're gonna put this on like at the end.
Okay.
Is that setting spray?
Yes.
Okay.
This is.
You gotta moisturize her face, bro.
That's where this comes in.
No, bro, but this is glotion, bro.
Juice. This goes last though. That's what I'm trying to
That's
say.
That's true.
What is that?
This is the glotion.
I'll do this because I don't want you rubbing on my face. You're gonna put it in the palm of my hand. Okay, that's a lot of. Okay.
That's how much you need.
Do not say anything. Okay, guys, how are we feeling about
We're
this?
feeling fantastic. We finna.
Okay, guys, what comes next?
Oh, the concealer?
Yeah.
Is that the concealer?
Yeah, this is concealer.
Oh, did you read it?
You told me this was concealer.
Wait.
Can you put
This is
the
a Morphe palette.
concealer on first?
Some more?
Yeah, cause you gotta tap it.
You gotta dab it.
Yeah, you gotta with a dab of ranch.
What is that, Juice?
This is concealer.
Oh, okay. Are you
so
sure?
That's what we're doing?
Don't get it
100%? Okay.
Hey, let me work. Hey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I done seen this before.
Yeah, you didn't see this before.
I don't know what's happening here,
Hold on.
but it's not good.
It's not. No, you gotta.
Nah, you gotta blend you in.
Yeah, bro. Like, you gotta let me do
Okay,
these,
I'm like
bro.
letting you go.
Bro, what do you call like the bottom of the house? Like the bottom of the house?
Foundation.
Oh, okay.
Are you you're not gonna put
I need
anything
you
else
to.
on this?
I need you to.
What do you?
Close your
What's
eyes.
that?
I need you to close your eyes.
You're doing
Oh,
eyes
that's the
on my
last.
eyeshadow?
I need you to close your eyes. There it is.
Glotion. This is not it? No, that's not it. That's not it.
If you read the bottle, it will tell you what each item is.
This is the contour. Oh, look. I found it.
That's the concealer?
Yeah, it's the concealer.
Goodness gracious.
She had
Okay,
it
where
in
does
her
my
pocket.
concealer go?
Oh, you gotta tap it and then put the beauty blender on it. Yeah, there you go, right there.
Oh,
Right there.
let me
There
get
you
to that
go.
It's really good.
There you go.
You can add more.
Oh, you can add more?
Yeah, you can add a lot more.
A lot more. Goodness.
Yeah, but it's not.
Bro, I just had the contour, bro.
But you gotta
Where is it? Which one?
Oh, it's right here, bro.
Where does he contour at?
Oh, I know. You gotta go outside the cheekbone. So boom, boom. Then you gotta hit the nose. Then you gotta hit that side too.
That's when they be looking like,
Yeah,
boy,
like
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's what you're gonna
Yeah.
make me look
Tap
like.
that.
Okay, look.
Juice wears makeup. I'm convinced.
Juice
I'm
really
convinced.
knows. Juice knows
No,
exactly
I just
what's
know
going
what
on.
I'm
Convinced.
Oh, you're putting.
No,
Oh,
that's
okay.
the
Wait,
wrong spot.
that's
the wrong
not-
spot. No, that's
No,
not.
just keep
no,
on going.
No, you gotta do it outside. No.
Bro, that's
Bro,
that's
no.
the cheekbone, bro.
Right here, bro. I got you.
All the way out here?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Like, oh, okay.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
right there.
And then on the top of it. That is beautiful.
Oh, hold on.
That's.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Guys, that's enough of that for
So you're gonna blend this out? Because this can't stay like this.
right there. Turn.
How else are
I
you?
don't know,
I
like,
think
what's
you need
this
something
for?
right here.
But it has a mirror in it.
Right here.
So
Okay,
I'm
so
just
we're gonna
like,
blend
put
this
that
out really
down.
good.
I'm gonna put that down.
You know I'm for this. You know I'm getting done. Finish this side and then you do it and then I'm gonna do the other side. So
Y'all are gonna swap items?
Yes.
Juice, what are you doing next? What comes after this?
I'm doing your eyelashes and the eyeliner.
Okay, so no eyeshadow?
Yeah. But I'll do the eyeshadow too if you want me to.
There you go.
How about I just do the eyes?
The eyeshadow should come first.
The eye brushing.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm finna hook you
Yeah.
up, Key. You hear me? Kilo.
Oh, you're gonna fix my eyes?
Kilo.
Oh, no.
You finna get.
There
You
we
hear
go.
me? You hear me? You finna like a snack, a meal,
I am.
an Outback steak.
So I'll be able
T-bone.
to Instagram this look once I'm done.
Bro, what?
Let's get to the
Hey,
eyeshadow.
first
I want
of
to
all,
see.
don't, no.
You're putting a lot on that brush. Like, let me just say, you are packing it on. Oh, God.
Be careful. He's blowing it up.
Oh yeah. And then what we really
bro,
pass me that right there.
We really hooking her
Pass me
up,
that
bro.
right there.
Put a touch.
What is this? Oh no, we're not finna.
That's eyeliner.
We're not finna put no eyeliner on, cause I'm gonna poke your eye out. But juice. I'm finna take this to a whole nother.
Oh, he used to lie.
Another level.
He used to.
You ready? You ready?
Oh, God. What are we doing over here?
Oh, that's that. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you messed up. Oh, no.
Oh, God, guys.
And I'm gonna add some more of that on.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Hey, no, bro. When I say I'm finna hook her up with that,
What's happening?
I'm finna hook you up with that, bro.
Two Face Peach Perfect.
Miles,
Yeah,
What's
that
up?
tastes
where
good.
does this go?
Kill that, bro. No, that goes on the
Does
that's right here. Yeah, that's where it goes.
That's where it
It
goes.
really
Keith.
does taste good.
You gotta tell her to do this. You gotta tell her to do the fish face though.
Ma'am.
It's peachy.
Is it okay for me to eat this?
I don't know.
You gotta do the fish
I
face.
eat it
That's where it
sometimes.
goes.
I'm just looking dirtier and dirtier by the minute.
Like a hooker on the street.
Oh, do you guys prefer
Not tap
girls
though,
with
but
makeup
tap.
or with no makeup?
Wait, what? Excuse me?
No makeup.
Like really, like if you go over to a girl's house, she has no makeup on, are you kind of like, you ain't get ready for me?
No, look. Because there's some girls who just don't wear makeup, but there's some girls who don't wear makeup often, but wear makeup when they get dressed and like really go, you feel me? When they get in a zone. So it just depends, guys.
It's like, yes.
Okay.
But me personally,
But makeup
sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup
God.
on.
That's when you're
We
the
need to
prettiest. I
take
hope
a
that
break.
y'all take it, bro.
My mama. Okay. Don't flinch.
Oh wow. Okay. So we're
That's
just gonna.
Talk about rodeo clown.
Oh. That's some shake, I tell you. What did they do makeup? Keep banging, bro. Hold on.
Oh my mama. Hey, you see me? Oh my mama.
Hold on.
Are you gonna do the other eye?
Yeah. For sure.
Miles has been working on this left
Okay,
side for a really long
that suck. Juice. Juice.
Josh,
Look at his Dude.
No, bro, he took real offense.
No,
to that, bro.
kid.
Watch out, man.
I
Back
If this
don't
thing
know,
was not
guys.
recording this whole time.
Back up.
Oh my boy.
I'm looking. Oh yeah. Yes, honey. Yes. Oh, you moved. I told you not to move, bro.
I have a newfound respect for this because y'all put way too much time into this.
yeah, this is,
No, this is.
and this is tragic.
Okay.
Turn to them. Thank you. See, when you're doing this,
Right.
listen to me. You'll learn something.
Right.
When you're doing this, the thing is not to apply as much pressure at the
How
top.
much what?
Pressure.
Pressure. Did you finish kindergarten?
Oh,
Alright,
you gonna-
not a lot of pressure on the top.
Okay.
But when you get in the middle, because
Right.
when you smile and that light, you hear me?
Oh,
So
yeah.
look, boom, like this, and then boom,
Oh, like
and then
heavy
boom,
in the front.
yeah, and
Feel
then
you,
boom,
V-Dog.
and then boom, and then come back, and now it's set. Now it's together.
It's in there, but
Yes.
It's together.
Right.
You hear me? I'm not done. Come on.
Oh.
Thank you.
Ooh,
Damn. Ooh, damn. The first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello, and I said hi. I knew right then you were the one, but I was caught up in physical attraction.
You guys want to use a lip liner? You know you should line them before you
Oh yeah, I'm
like,
like,
okay.
Miles, you want to do the lip or you want me to
I
do
do
the
that.
lip?
Miles is gonna do the liner. I'm gonna put it on.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh.
do that.
You just overline them.
Let's see. And what you you're gonna do after I do this, I need you to
I can't handle it.
That's what I need you to do, okay?
So, bro, like,
Alright, there you go.
bro. You gotta
There you
pop
go.
it. Pop it, bro. Hey, bro, it don't look bad, bro.
It don't want.
Okay, you guys gonna set my face now?
Mr. Professional.
Turn this way.
Okay.
Eat off soon.
Oh, that's. Oh. I'm sorry.
You just sprayed the
Go
makeup.
again. Go again. You need to just keep on going.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
The lower half is missing all of it.
The lower half. What is gonna sweat off?
There you go.
Okay, yeah. There we go.
Dry it.
Please dry it.
Dry.
Okay, do I look good?
You look fantastic.
What? Yeah.
Oh, and she let her hair down. You look.
Like a 10?
Oh, you look
Like
fantastic.
How are we
A
feeling?
10 times 10.
Okay, I can't see in the viewfinder, so I'm just gonna look now.
And then you find it?
Almost still the
I know, right?
Wait, guys, I've never looked worse in my entire.
I can't believe she just
My
shot me
lips!
like that.
Guys, you guys really? I mean,
Bro,
holy
first of
crap!
all,
If I was
Hey.
gonna go out right now, where would you say would be appropriate
bro,
for me
you
to wear
get
this
chose,
makeup at?
Bro. You get chose.
Where would I go? Like, what's this a good look for?
Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday for sure.
Definitely
Taco
Taco
Tuesday.
You can definitely go to the club tonight.
To the club tonight with this?
Fire,
No,
Mercy Room.
Tonight, bro. Like, what?
Yeah.
Wow. Alrighty guys, this is the final look. I think that I look absolutely tragic
She looks
and
stunning.
horrible, but they obviously think that
I
they
think
did a
she
great
looks
job.
stunning.
They don't know what any of these products mean and they do use them all incorrectly. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow
She
them
needs
on
a
all their social
refill.
media. And he's talking about my nails. He thinks I need to refill my nails. I do need to refill my nails. Rude. You told me I don't have lips and I need to refill.
Rude. 1, 2, 3. Rude.
First of all, he was off, so it don't.
1, 2, 3. Rude.
Give it a big thumbs up if you guys want them
Thumbs
to
up,
come
comment.
back. Maybe they can do different makeup
Hey.
looks, or they can do like a voiceover next time or something
Hey,
like that.
voiceover.
Yeah,